Alright folks, welcome back. I'm going to be installing the EcoFlow alternator charger, the 800 watt alternator charger, and I got some new lights that I'm going to install. I don't know how much we're going to get done today because I have a party to go to in about an hour and a half, so I just want to see what I'm up against. So I'm going to hop in the truck and see how I can wire this EcoFlow. I have an idea where I want to put it. I hope it fits. This isn't a tutorial. There's guys out there that are installing these. Search on YouTube and find these guys that are installing these. I don't want you guys to think this is a tutorial, because I'm sure there's guys out there who could do a much better job than me. Alright, I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. All this has to come out first. This is from a camping trip earlier today. Okay, this has to come out. Unplug that. So the plan is to get it in here and then go through the floor here. There's some holes down there. Right here. That the center console was bolted to. Alright, so here's the unit. Like I said, it's got some weight to it, man. You open it up. Okay. This is what I'm worried about. Let's see, this is, wow, the wires are heavy too. Wow. The wires got some weight. I'm hoping it fits in here. Yeah, it's got some weight. That's the unit. It's gonna sit here. Like I said, this is gonna go back in. That, and I gotta cut this to fit in there to access that. I'm hoping you can control this with the app, or if it's just, it turns on automatically and you plug it in, because if I put it back here, I won't be able to get to it. Get to the switch. So it's your antenna. There's your switch. I'm literally just going to trace this out with a marker and cut around here. Just trace around here. So this is going to be, I'm going to need something deeper to cut. Let me see what I can find something else to cut with. Okay, you still there, guys? We're going to cut like this. There we go. It's going to be a little tight. Here we go here. All right. See what we got. Fit inside like so. And the fridge is going to sit on top of that. And I'm going to wire it down through there. All right, let's see what we got. All right, and here's where we're going to go through. We got to look under there, see what it looks like. Let's see. I gotta make sure there ain't any pipes or anything in the way there. Oh, okay, I see a hole. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right up there. I'm gonna stick something down there and see if I can see it. And if that's the hole, maybe I can drill it down and put a grommet in there. Hey, let me see if I can see that wire. You probably get on behind it. Yeah, that's it. Then I gotta go up over the buffer pipe. Alright. We'll see what we can do. So this is that 6-gauge wire. This goes on the battery. That's the fuse. Wow. Okay, this is the connection to the generator, and this end is for the delta. Man, there's some here heavy cable. So we gotta get a pretty decent hole through there. I don't know if I have any grommets. I don't want to run this straight up against metal. If I had to, what I'd probably do is wrap it in tape and just silicone the shit out of it so it don't move, but it makes me nervous. I think a rubber grommet would be the best bet. This is so bulky where I go to connect it. I may have to come up with a game plan. This goes to the car. Like this. Then I got this big thing. I could probably go over top. Like say we go like this. There might be enough room in there. I'll have to see. But we gotta get this fed through. Let's tape that up so that it don't get bound. Don't want to take any chances. Like that might have to stick out like this. Maybe I could slide it all the way back. Yeah, because this is higher. So if it's here, I might be able to slide it back. Okay. I'm gonna have to go all the way to the back. Fuck it, let's do it. What the fuck happened there? There we go. There we go. Wow. Yeah, I left my rotary grinder at work. Get through this by hand. Yeah, it sucks. I really need a grommet. If I get a grommet, I'll have to slice it, wrap it around, then silicone it in. Let's go underneath. So we're going to take it down here. This is what I'm worried about. The muffler. Like so. Okay, let's fish that through. Alright, I gotta make sure I can find a path. Oh my God. Okay. Where are we at? Okay. Okay, so I can pull it down here. Hopefully it's gonna be long enough. Oh my God. All right, so this looks like a 9mm. Very careful we don't lose this. Then on our positive cable, like so, put our lock washer on and our nut. And I'm going to crank that up. Put our cap back on. There. Now we can hook the positive up. There, all right. Time for some wire ties. I'm not liking this part. Oh man. Okay. Okay, I got it down in there. All right, there's my homemade grommet. Here's some plumber's goop, and goop the shit out of it. Come on, you gotta go down in there. Seal that up, make it airtight. It's not pretty, guys. I'll have to work it out so it can bend and everything. Okay, well that has to dry, but do you think we should try it out? See if this is all worth it? I'm a nervous wreck. Okay, this goes to the car, like so. So this goes to the power station here. And this goes to the battery here. Hot damn, 802 watts. That is awesome. So now I'll have to, I'm gonna let that dry and maybe get back under tomorrow and try to secure that a little bit better. And then finagle everything back, see if I can't get the fridge and everything in there looking somewhat respectable. But I'm happy. Yep, it's 800 watts, man. That is awesome. The reason I wanted to do this is, well, number one, the solar panels, I can't get enough solar panels to charge what I have. But right now, if I go away for like a 3-day weekend and I'm using a lot of my electric stuff, and I do want to gear more towards, you know, electric, and have my stove, gas and butane and all that as backup. But right now, if say I bring my refrigerator and my freezer, and then if I bring them two, I'll usually bring my two Jackery 1000s, my Delta 2 Max, and my Delta 2. Well, I'd like to be able to bring just my two Deltas, my Delta 2 Max and my Delta 2, and my Delta 2, and not worry about, you know, bringing the Jackery 1000s. I probably will the first trip out, see if I can get like 3 days out of it in the summertime. But we will see. Okay folks, day two. Yesterday I had a party to go to. got a lot more done than I thought I was going to get done. But today we're just going to try to get everything put back together. Okay, let's check out this app. EcoFlow. Discovered devices. Alternator charge add. Okay, let's go back to that app. I'm gonna check out the generator. Alright, 12.9 volts. Car battery port under voltage. Oh, that's not good. Alright, so let me fire it up and see what happens. So the voltage just went up 14.4. It dropped to 13 volts and climbing up, but I don't know why it was just at 800. Okay, I set the voltage, the start voltage, to 12.5 volts, and lo and behold, I'm getting 800 watts. Alright, I dropped it down a half a volt. It was on 13 volts and I dropped it down to 12.5. And there we are, 800 watts. I just changed the start charging voltage from 13 to 12.5, and I solved the problem. Now I'm a happy camper.